Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make roasted shiitake mushrooms with cheese. You will need 6 or more pieces of shiitake mushrooms, a little soy sauce, shredded cheese. Step 1. Remove the shiitake stems and place the caps on a sheet pan. Don't discard the stems as you can use them for other dishes. Step 2. Drizzle the mushroom caps with soy sauce. Step 3. Place the shredded cheese over the mushrooms, covering them evenly. Step 4. Place the sheet pan in the oven and bake for 6 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the mushrooms are tender. Step 5. Take out the oven and add some herbs for toppings as you like. I hope you will enjoy this super easy shiitake mushroom dish. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.